Okay, I'm gonna show you to fix Cubase. If you're not getting any sound and you like tried everything else, then try this and see if this helps. But load up Cubase and you'll get a screen like this. But if your only options are Realtek Digital, you're not gonna get any sound coming out, so nothing's playing. So to fix it, go to Devices, then down to Device Setup, and then go all the way down to under VST Audio System. Select your audio driver, and then click Control Panel. And under Device Name, select your speakers. And if you have a mic, click. You could select it here too. So click OK. OK. And then go back to Audio Outputs, and then select your speakers. And now it should be working.